let's make a number 71 key piece. Our products usually evolve over time, as they should, but I've made just a couple changes on this product over the last couple years. Just little things to refine it and just make it better. I'm gonna be using one of our new standard colorways. We have 3 options now, and these are the 3 colors that we're gonna be keeping on our site, keeping in stock as much as possible. It's the natural oak skirting, chestnut skirting, and black skirting. So I'm gonna make this one out of 3 to 4 ounce chestnut skirting. I'm gonna use my bell skiver to split the back end of it so that we can actually get the button snap on there. And of course, we're gonna stitch it up on my new Tandy Craft Tools Stitch Master. Then we'll ink up the edges and get the hardware on there. It's gonna be a pretty simple one, but it's gonna look good. This product is kind of a staple of ours. It's been part of our line for a long time, so this is gonna be a simple one, but it's gonna be fun. So let's do it. There he is.
Howdy, howdy.
The man, the myth. Thomas Goldbranson, real estate mogul, and part owner of Stock and Barrel. Also the Jets.
The Jets?
No, that's someone else.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It's like, oh man.
Well, that's it, friends. For those of you that want to try making one of these on your own, don't forget, down below, the first link you see is a link to Tandy Leather, where you can pick up all the tools and supplies that you need to make something like this. And I'm even gonna include even further down below, there's gonna be a link where you can buy the digital template for this product. So go try it on your own, throw a little twist on it, whatever. And I wanna see what you guys make, so post it to Instagram and tag me. I'd love to see it. You know what would be cool is if I could start sending whatever product I make in each video to one of you, like to my favorite comment down in the comment section. But I'm pretty sure YouTube guidelines, whatever, I think I would be risking getting the channel flagged. So one of you out there, help me figure this out. Come up with a good way that I can run a simple giveaway just here on the native platform of YouTube without breaking any of the guidelines. That would be cool. I would love that. I could see that being a little bit more fun on one of our like bag videos, or you know, the Western rig or something like that. But even for the small goods, I think it would be a really fun way to engage with you guys. So I don't know, we'll figure that out. Someone look it up, figure out a way for us to do that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I would love it if you could subscribe and hit the thumbs up button, share it, whatever you can do. Your support means so much to us. Thank you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.